Hello my friends, welcome back to another video where I'm going to install a vinyl clear bra on the tits, meaning hood of the vehicle, because of what you see here. And I start having little marks, and because of rocks and pebbles and stuff on the vehicle. And so as you see, the first thing to do is to wash the vehicle, the where you're going to install it. So this is a 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatchback. So it's not that dirty. It's not that dirty. Okay, so it's very easy to wash. So I used a broom, and now I also use a sponge, a little bit of a harder sponge, where I can actually remove any dirt, bird poo, or bugs that were killed on that, with all the little stain that the broom itself could not have removed. So let's watch. All right, so now I'm rinsing. Okay, and just also inspecting to make sure that there's no stain left. And also now I'm also drying it. Okay, it's not necessary to dry because I'm going to get it wet anyway, but it's good to do that. And now you see I drove the vehicle inside, partially inside the garage, so I can to avoid any dirt outside from falling on the hood. And also I elevated the I place it on the hood so I can trim it. But guess what? This thing is too short. I bought the 12 by 48 because I took the measurement at night by myself. But apparently it's 12 by 76, something like that. I took the measurement, 12 by 76, because the hood is long. So basically this thing is too short. However, I'm going to install it anyway. And so because of the chip happens, hood chips happen in the center, so it will cover the center, and then somewhere around here in the corner. Okay, and because the mark here in the corners, both corners shouldn't be an issue because we were going to have one straight up here anyway. All right, so I'm wiping this down last time before I spray the liquid. So I have a wash soap. You can use dish soap, or car wash soap. Okay. And the purpose of putting the soap is you can move the film. Okay, this is not the best quality. I think I paid $40 for it, and but it is very this thing is very thick. Okay, it comes with two protecting material. There's a very clear paper cover, so protective layer on the surface. That's the top, and then the sticky part is back here. The sticky part. Okay, so when you're doing it, make sure that you know you're removing the sticky part is not facing up. It's supposed to be on the hood of the vehicle, the contact point. So Now let me go ahead and I remove, because I'm ready. I go ahead and take this part out. So the sticky part, the best way to keep it from sticking, getting tangled up, come around over here. You can do it with a helper or you can do it by yourself. As I peel off that, and then you go ahead and spray in here, and to keep it from from stick, you don't spray this, you spray the film. Here I'm prepping the film. Okay, just make sure that yeah, it is a good fit on the hood before I start cutting. Okay, so I line them up a little bit. So I'm cutting the excess with scissors. Well, this is the second time we try to lay the bra, the clear bra. Again, we keep on having problem here. This is, I don't know if this is too thick, but the thickness is also important. But for some reason, yeah, it bubbled up. But we're going to try to get the top done clearly, and then wait until it dry out. I think the dryness will get it to stick. Yeah, it's the other door, it's just the liquid. Maybe I have a bad week, this thing is not that good. It doesn't really remove all the As you can see, no matter what we did, we just couldn't get rid of the bubbles. I think it was because the glue was pretty much gone. So I left it until it's dry out. Hi, this is the finished product, and I'm hoping that you guys can see it. See, that's the line on the hood, and yeah, like I said, I cut it on the side here. Okay, so let me show you the line, and it looks pretty good. Okay, that's the other side, and the line is right here. One can barely see it. There's a little bit some of imperfection. Of course, this is expected because that's the first time I did something like this. Okay, and move back. It looks yes, it looks okay. The front has a little bit of imperfection, but anyway, you know they ask for $300 to install it, and I bought this thing for $40. Even though the front, I had problem with the front, you saw that, but I'll wait. It should last a year or more. Or if it start bubbling up a lot, then I will remove it and buy a 3M, because what I bought was it looks like it was too cheap. That's why you got this bubble. But the front is protected from little pebbles and rocks and bird, not birds, flies and whatever. Thank you for watching. All right.